Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss if you are planning to start a YouTube channel this year, then you need to do some keyword research. For that you can hire SEO expert, but I will tell you a free method that you can easily use and you can easily check keywords for your YouTube channel. So keyword research is one of the most important thing in SEO that you can use. Here you can go and search for YouTube keyword tool, and here you will find out different tools and platforms that you can check and use. Okay, so if I scroll down, this one is the tool that I will recommend you. You can use it. Here you can see 100% free. Now let me scroll down. For example, here let me type a keyword: how to start a Shopify store. Then click on submit button. Within few seconds you will get all of the keywords related to this keyword, and it will also tell you the difficulty for the ranking. So sometimes we have different keywords in our mind, but that are very hard to rank. Here you can see it has suggested one keyword that have this volume. Now let me start with a different keyword: how to build a website. Then click on submit button. And then complete this verification. Here you can see we got more keywords. This one is the volume. So how many people are searching this keyword for each month. So this one is the monthly. And here you can check the difficulty for these keywords. So for this keyword, difficulty is very low, and here you can check the volume. If I scroll down, so this one is the amazing tool. If you are a YouTuber, then you can easily do keyword research.